All right, hi everybody. Welcome back. Ryan here once again. So kind of continuing our series on DPFs and emissions and all that stuff. We've got a DOC and a DPF here out of a Kubota tractor that's used for snow plowing on a job site. So what happened, a turbo went out of this unit, not a very old unit really. I think it's a 2020 or 2019. And what it did, it filled the DOC with oil. So what we've done, we've soaked this in a water-based degreaser overnight and rinsed it and got it pretty clean for the most part. So we can clean these. It's a little bit longer process. So we're going to put these in the oven for a dry out period. It's basically a 3.5 hour warm up, then a 3.5 hour cool down. And that basically keeps it from going to like 1300 degrees to where it'd actually catch this stuff on fire. And that can happen if you're getting to those extreme temperatures. So we're going to heat it at a lower temperature and it will dry all this out. And then we'll actually put these units into a batch with these other filters and DOCs here and do them all in a regular cycle. So if you do have a situation where you have oil in a DOC or DPF, typically the DOC is going to catch most of the oil in this case. The DPF does have a little bit in it, but not as bad as what the DOC was. And those can be salvaged if you do have a thermal type oven. With an aqueous type system, they usually don't do a very good job of cleaning out the oil. So if you have somebody with an oven, clean them and do a dry out cycle, they can be salvaged. So with that, we're going to go and put these in and go through the setup here and start these up and sit back and wait. By the way, this is a new business that we've went into to complement our truck repair business, the emission side, service and DPFs. So with this new equipment that we purchased, we can put a whole Freightliner 1 box in here to clean your DOCs, your SCRs, and also the filters or replace your filters as well. We have aftermarket options and a product line for clamps and gaskets and all that good stuff. If you got these problems and they're telling you to buy a new 1 box or you got to buy new filters, all that good stuff or bad stuff, check us out, check out our website, give us a call. We'll do the best we can to help you out. So with that, we're going to go ahead and throw these filters in, or the DOC and the filter, and get this thing started. Thing kind of shuts hard. There we go. So now we're going to go to load DPFs, and that type of filter was a silicone carbide. So we already got that next, and we're going to do a dry out cycle. So it's going to heat it for 3 hours 26 minutes. Then it takes it 3 hours and 20 minutes to cool down, and it's going to be at a lower temp than a normal bake. And there we go. So we're going to let that do its thing, and after it comes out, we're going to do the rest of the batch. We might, maybe we'll do a video on that if it works out for you guys. If not, we'll catch them next time. So again, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support and everything. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and like the video.